Next on the list is English Premier League. When it comes to Croatian players from the top 5 European leagues, Premier League had the lowest amount of players coming from Croatia. Believe it or not, only 25. Cause we can't count the likes of Branko Strupar, Mark Viduka and many others who, although they are Croatians, played for other national teams. Just to mention that leader in total games played is Dejan Lovren, behind him is Niko Kranjčar and Luka Modric. Assist leader is Luka Modric, followed by Niko Kranjčar, Eduardo and Mateo Kovacic. Now let's start with the top 15 goal scorers list. Andrej Kramaric, who didn't play much for Leicester City and very soon moved to Hoffenheim. Kovacic. Although he plays very well for Chelsea, I think everyone expected him to score more goals. Igor Stimac, with 3 goals in 100 matches, playing for Derby County and West Ham United. Mladen Petric, with 5 goals for Fulham. Eduardo, the guy who was destined to pass Šuker's 45 goals for Croatian national team and to be the number 1, the guy who could have played a big role in the top European clubs, but on February 23, 2008, Martin Taylor happened. Liverpool's Dejan Lovren, who also played 1 season for Southampton. Mario Stanic, who played his last 4 career seasons for Chelsea. Nikola Kalinic, who played for Blackburn Rovers. Aljoša Asanovic, who played only 1 season for Derby County. Davor Šuker, probably the best attacker Croatia ever had, who late in his career played for Arsenal and West Ham United. Luka Modric, who played 4 seasons for Tottenham before joining Real Madrid. On the 4th place is Niko Kranjčar, one of the most talented players Croatia ever had, but somehow he had never had a career he could have had, probably due to lack of motivation and physical shape. He played for Portsmouth and Tottenham. Ivan Klasnic, who played for Bolton after spending his best years in Werder Bremen and French team Nantes. Alen Bokšić is on the 2nd place, scoring 22 goals late in his career for Middlesbrough. And on the 1st place, somehow unexpected, Nikica Jelavic, who joined Everton after playing great for Glasgow Rangers, and after Everton he played for Hull City and West Ham.